Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So, although I'm smiling right now, today is definitely a bittersweet day, right? You guys saw my last video of me having to sell my Toyota Tundra and our Toyota 4Runner here because I'm investing in a local business here. I'm buying a company here in my hometown. So much more to follow on that. But today's video, we are saying farewell to the Tundra TRD Pro. Definitely gonna miss this truck, but I do know it is going to good hands. So this gentleman here, right beside me, is Travis Mills, right? So Trav, he's what are we chalking up to? Is it punk rock or is it?
I'm in a pop punk alternative rock band.
Okay.
That's the hardest question to answer. But I, just like all of you watching, saw the same video, and I actually messaged you when you bought this truck. When you drove out to buy it, and I said, if you ever decide to sell it, please let me know. And you posted that video a couple days ago. I hit you up on Instagram, and I literally flew out here today to pick this thing up. From
California. So, no, I really appreciate Travis. We've talked a lot over the last year or so, right? I mean, he's a big Toyota fan himself. He has a Land Cruiser Heritage Edition at home. He has a 4Runner, TRD Off-Road?
TRD Pro.
TRD Pro, excuse me, TRD Pro. What was the last one that you...
GX.
The GX, right?
And it's all this guy's fault right here. It's all
I take zero responsibility for that, guys. I take zero responsibility. But yeah, don't tell your wives. Don't blame your wives. Or don't blame me to your wives, okay? So today's video, I just want to do the final farewell, you know, and wish Travis the best of luck with this. You know, I know a lot of you will ask, you know, how much did I sell it for? And I'll be transparent with you guys. You know, I sold it for exactly what I paid for it, right? I mean, he'd seen the video way back when, my barn find video of me picking this up, and I spent $58,000 to Eddie. Shout out Eddie in South Carolina. He's awesome. Definitely appreciate him too. So he was even messaging me when I posted this for sale the other day. So excited it's going to good hands.
I can't wait. Let's
just do a final little tribute video of the Tundra TRD Pro as it drives off into the sunset.
Are you gonna miss it?
Oh, yeah, totally. But
just know I'm gonna baby this thing.
Yeah.
Like this is truly, I'm going to be just so OCD about this truck and just take care of every square inch of her.
Yeah, so it's 12,000 miles, just over 12,000 miles right now. And I do know, I can confidently tell you guys, you know, based on the amount of people who reached out to me for this Tundra here, I would comfortably say 80 to 90 people just for the Tundra, maybe 20 or 30 people for the 4Runner when I posted a video, and I was not expecting that many people. But I am confident in saying that because that new Tundra is a hot bag of trash, let's just call it what it is. Because of that, that is why the values of these V8 Tundras will remain very high into the foreseeable future anyway, right? So he can buy this with pretty good confidence that it's going to last, as long as he owns it, of course, very well, with great peace of mind, and he'll be able to sell it for a good figure come that time, because, well, the new generations just don't cut it. So we'll walk around the video, remind you guys what I'm saying farewell to for the final time. All right, the final walk around. We'll make it abbreviated because if you guys watched my last video, you saw it very well. And for the record, whenever I sell a vehicle, I generally, well, not even generally, I always wash it and detail the crap out of it because I want whoever's going to buy it to feel awesome about it when they buy it. So this time, I just didn't have the time to do it. Travis messaged me saying, "Hey, I'm gonna fly out tomorrow. I'm flying out tomorrow. I'll be out there in the morning." And I was like, holy crap, dude. So, and it was Halloween yesterday. And well, if you know, we have 45 kids, right? So every time, you know, we're not going to skip Halloween trick-or-treating. So there was no time to really give it the necessary bath that it deserved. But we did a kind of a half-hearted detail of the inside anyway. Half-hearted, totally. But this is it. The final farewell to the Tundra there. So just under 12,100 miles. I'm gonna miss this totally, and I'll never be able to find one with this type of miles for the price tag that I paid anyway, because people have caught on to the idea of these being the last real Tundra, because that's what they are. Let's just call it what it is. So this is it. This is it. And for the number of you who did reach out to me for this, you know, Travis really was on top of it, and admittedly I didn't even remember to message him, so I did a poor job. I was a poor friend, and he reached out to me saying, "Hey, let me get it." So apologies to the folks who did reach out to me and I wasn't able to respond back to you in time, but for whatever it is worth, it is going to good hands with Travis. So we'll wrap up the video there, guys. Appreciate you watching as always. Stay tuned for what's next. I just watched that video back with Travis, and I look like a child. I look like his child in that video. I want to make it very clear that he is like 7'5", okay? And I'm a cool, very normal, very average 5'9". I want to make it that I look like an Oompa Loompa in that video, and I just want you guys to know.